Open your settings application, then select connected devices, then scroll up, then select Android Auto, then scroll up, then you can see option of Hey Google Detection. Open it. Now you can see there is two options, and you can easily turn on that, and also make your voice is just synchronized with Google Voice. So you can simply turn on these settings from here. Just tap on that button and just speak something on your voice. Then Google will recognize that, and you can use while driving. Okay, and that's guys very simple tutorial, and you can use Google voice command features from here. That's it, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.